mantra praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, in our life or all Yajman's life, from left side, right side, there should be no any negativity, and our life should be always prosperous, our future should be always bright. For that purpose, you have to offer this ahuti. Take a long spoon. Yeah, continue. Now all of you take some jaggery, vellum, which are kept in front of you. This is a Sveshtikrit Ahuti. This Ahuti have a two meaning. First meaning is, if we did anything wrong in our life, for confession, for prayasita, we are going to offer this Ahuti and pray to the Fire God. Again, we are not going to do this mistake or guilty. Second meaning is, fulfilling of desires. We all human beings have a lots of wishes and desires. To fulfill our wishes and desires, we are going to pray to the fire god and offering this ahuti. Why offering in the fire? So here Vedas saying, Agnirvai Devo Mukham. Fire is the mouth of all the gods, and we can send our message very quickly by offering in the fire. Why offering sweet item, not a salty item? So here Vedas saying, Madram Priyam Prathamasya Bhakshanam. Sweet thing is going to like by everyone, even a god like too much. If anybody, anything liking too much, if you are going to offer, they are going to become very happy, and whatever we have a wishes and desire, God saying, Tathas, to all wishes and desires become a true. So whatever you have a wishes and desire, pray sincerely, and after saying Swaha, you have to offer this ahuti. Om.
यस्य कर्मणोऽप्यैः संयद्वाहा न्यूनमिहाकरम् अनिष्टशिष्टकृद्विद्यात् सर्वं शिष्टं सुहृतं करोतु मे अग्नये शिष्टकृतेः सुहृतहुतेः सर्वप्रायश्चित्ताहुतीनां कामानां समर्दयुक्ते सर्वान् कामान्
So one time speech and mind both debating to each other and saying I am superior than you, I am bigger than you. Mind saying no no no, I am bigger than you, and speech saying no no, I am bigger than you. So both went to the Brahmaji for the final decision, who is the best among us. So Brahmaji, after thinking a lot, he has given the decision and told, listen, per day human beings taking 35,000 of decision from morning to till night. In this 35,000 of decision, what is good, what is bad, who analyzing? Our mind. Our mind deciding what you have to speak. Then speech is going to speak. Hence, as per my knowledge, mind is bigger, mind is superior, not a speech. At that time, speech become very angry and saying, Brahmaji, wherever the mantra coming for you, you have to chant in your mind, I will not chant. So that mantra is silent, and the significance in our life is whenever we have a debate too much, at that time better keep quiet, otherwise our matter going to reach to the court and advocate. Yes? So that time we have to keep silence. Next we have to offer ahuti after saying swaha. Yes,
ब्रह्मणा वन्दमानस्तकाशास्ते यजमानो हविर्भिः इदन्न मम एते शतं वरुणये सहस्रैः यज्ञापाशावितता महान्तः देवीर्नो अद्य सवितोत विश्वे मुञ्चन्तु मरुतस्वर्गा स्वाहा इदं वरुणाय सवित्रे विष्णवे विश्वेभ्यो देवेभ्यो मरुभ्यः स्वर्गेभ्यः इदं न मम अयाश्चाग्निशनविशस्तिपाश्च सत्यमित्वमया आसीत् अयानो यज्ञं वहास्ययानो देहि भेषजं स्वाहा इदमग्नये अयसे इदं न मम उदुत्तमं वरुणपाशमस्मदवादमम् विमध्यमं शताय अजापयमादित्यव्रते तवानागसो हरितये स्याम स्वाहा इदं वरुणाय आदित्याय हरितये च इदं न मम भवतन्नस्तमनसौ तच्छेदेतसावरे कसौ मायज्ञं शिष्टं मायज्ञपतिं नष्टादवेदसौ शिवौ भवतमद्य न स्वाहा इदं जातवेदोभ्याम् इदं न मम सूर्यो ज्योतिर्ज्योतिस्सूर्य स्वाहा सूर्यो वज्रो ज्योतिर्वज्र स्वाहा ज्योतिस्सूर्य सूर्यो ज्योतिः स्वाहा सजुर्देवेन सवित्रा सजुर्वृषेन्द्रवत्या जुषाणं सूर्यो वेदु स्वाहा ज्योतिर्ज्योतिरग्नि स्वाहा अग्निर्वज्रो ज्योतिर्वज्र स्वाहा सजुर्देवेन सवित्रा सजुराग्निर्वत्या जुषाणो अग्निर्वेदु स्वाहा भूरग्नये प्राणाय स्वाहा इदमग्नये प्राणाय इदं न मम भूगर्भायवे अपानाय स्वाहा इदं वायवे अपानाय इदं न मम स्वरादित्याय ज्ञानाय स्वाहा इदमादित्याय ज्ञानाय इदं न मम भूर्भुवस्वरग्निवाय वादितेभ्यः प्राणापानं
after saying Swaha, we are going to offer this ahuti. Here we will chant Gayatri Mahamantra 3 times, and after that, while coming to here also you have to chant the Gayatri Mahamantra. So in this mantra, praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, whatever the thoughts arises in our mind, that thought should be giving happiness to the other, that thought should be peaceful for us. Because in this world, the biggest virus is our bad thoughts. If bad thoughts arises in our mind, till completing, we are not going to allow take other rest also, even himself or themselves not able to take the rest. So here in all four Vedas, Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda and Atharva Veda, one mantra is common, Om Bhurvasvaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. And in this mantra, praying to the Almighty, O Almighty, please lead our intelligence on to the right path, and whatever the thoughts arises, that thoughts should be giving happiness to the other and peaceful for us. So all of you chant Gayatri Mahamantra. Om